Welcome back. If your Snapchat messages, snaps, or notifications aren't coming through unless you open the app, chances are background data is turned off. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to allow background data usage on Snapchat, so everything works smoothly again. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device controls live, including app permissions and data usage options. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you find apps, or on some phones it might be called app management. Tap on it. Now you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find Snapchat. Once you see it, tap on Snapchat to open its settings. Inside the Snapchat app settings, look for an option labeled Mobile Data. Depending on your device, this might also appear as data usage. Tap on that. Here's the important part. You'll see a toggle or switch for Allow Background Data Usage. If this is turned off, Snapchat can't use mobile data when you're not actively using the app, which can delay messages and notifications. Go ahead and toggle on Allow Background Data Usage.